Vidura College, Environmental Studies, Grade 3. How are you, my dear students? Hope that you all stay safe at home. Today, your ENV teacher has brought an important lesson. Vault. What are we going to learn today? Today, we are going to learn about We Are Sri Lankans. Do you know this song, children? It's a part of well-famous song. This land belongs to you. This land belongs to me. This land belongs to all of us to live in harmony. It tells about our land. What does it mean, children? It is tell about our motherland. What's your motherland? Yes, my motherland is Sri Lanka. Do you love your motherland? Yes. In this beautiful island, we all living peacefully. Do you know that there are different ethnic groups living in Sri Lanka? They are Sinhalese, Tamils, Muslims, Burghers and Malays. Now look at this slide, children. There is another song in Sinhala. Is it familiar to you? Yes, that is our national anthem. We all love to sing the national anthem. Do you know that every country has their own national anthem? Okay, now we are going to learn more about our national anthem. Mr. Ananda Samarakon was composed our national anthem, and it was sung on the 4th of February 1948 at the first time. Is it a special day for us? Yes, that is the Independence Day. Now we are going to learn about the correct posture of standing when singing the national anthem. You have to stand straightly. You have to keep your hands either sides of the body and the head erect when singing the national anthem. And you have to sing the national anthem correctly and softly. Are you following these things? Now look at this flag, children. This is our national flag. We can call it as the lion flag also. What can you see there? There is a lion with the sword in the maroon background. There are 4 bow leaves in the 4 corners. There is an orange strip and a green color strip. And you can see a yellow border also. So, we should all respect our national flag when it is hoisting. In this slide, you can see some pictures of where we can hoist the national flag. These places are some of them. In national ceremonies, and in our sport meet, and in our school assembly also, and in some opening ceremonies also, we hoist the national flag. Independence Day. This is a very important day for Sri Lanka. We got freedom from British colonials on the 4th of February 1948. So that we celebrate Independence Day every year on this day. We organize different activities to celebrate this day. We hoist the national flag at our home, school and other institutes. We organize religious activities also. We do tree planting campaigns. We are liberating the caged animals and that are going to be killed. and we are commemorating national heroes also. So, my dear children, these are some important things that we have learned in We Are Sri Lankans lesson. So, till I bring some more important facts in this lesson, you have to stay at home safely. Thank you. Goodbye.